Who the fuck is your idol? Tell me what you're thinking. Who the fuck is your idol? Tell me what you're thinking. Who the fuck is your idol? Tell me what you're thinking. I said tell me what you're thinking. I said tell me what you're thinking. I ain't got one. I lost one and they shot one. From Pac to Hobson said they all already got sons. New rappers taking Xannies, yeah they pop one. Saying that they real but they not one that's real. Prey on what we're feeling, say they know what we are dealing. But one person can't feel the same as millions, so fucking idle. I got mentors and friends, I bend doors to bends. I censor and men and vibe climb. No need to pretend I am something I am not. Money that I lend and the presence that I cop is more than half these stupid fucks got. About to go off and I flow off the top and I go non-stop. Lose another mumble rapper, just another loss. But we lose another artist and we lose another god. So we lose another. Who the fuck is your idol? Tell me what you're thinking. Who the fuck is your idol? Tell me what you're thinking. Who the fuck is your idol? Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're thinking. Ah! Wanna vibe like Miller, lose myself in the beat like X. Just a dream like Kurt, make a team like Tech. And Tech's not dead, neither are the rest. They have a legacy we need to protect. And I'ma climb to the top and be the best for myself. They ain't ready, I ain't steady, I ain't petty. Game setting, change betting, these lame pennies. Better Annie up, I'm more for Annie up and ride solo. Like bitch, oh no, you only live once, that's YOLO. So I live in their shadow and walk in their shadow. 970, yeah that's Colorado. A come up that they couldn't foreshadow. They ain't know that I spit like this. Said I spit like her or I spit like him. Said I spit the truth, they just spit they sins. They just spit for the dividends. And I ain't never made a dime. In it for the hike, said I'm in it for the climb. Said I'm in it for the climb. Fuck it, bro. This is fucking stone, right? Like honestly, who the fuck are the idols if it isn't fucking me? Really? Go beast mode, heat zone and D-zone. All these weak flows, he knows and she knows. I am the GOAT, I be so nasty like a deep throat. And bashing D-notes, these crashing scene jokes. While laughing, we show the fact that we dopes. And the crying emo, to you wave riding speedboats. Listen to my speech, my keynote. I'm a demote and dethrone and we will rise. And by we I mean I, so open up your eyes. Put your hand on the Bible and tell me, just tell me, who the fuck are your idols?